Hello guys, this is my first video with voice. I hope you will like it. Today I'm showing you how to use my Procreate brush set to create Minecraft style characters. From the available options we select body elements and stamp each of them on a separate layer. Now you have to adjust them so that the pose is in the line with our expectations. Then with an eraser we remove those parts that should be hidden behind others. Finally, we flatten the layers and we have a ready model of our character. All you have to do now is play with color, shadows and textures. See ya!